Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session where we were trying to learn about the disaster management, children. So out of the disaster, one of the most important disaster we have seen in the previous sessions like tsunami, what to be done during the tsunami, before tsunami and after tsunami we were dealing. So you know it, after the tsunami has flourished, okay, devastated, continue using a radio or television for updated emergency information. You need to listen to the radio or television, okay, so that the news, the information you can receive. The tsunami may have damaged some roads, bridges or other places that may not be safe, that may be unsafe. So please listen to that information so that you may not pass through that way. And check yourself for any injuries. आपको किधर भी चोट लग गई उसके वजह से check yourself. And if you find any small injuries also, get the first aid immediately. Before helping the other injured and trapped persons, first you get the first aid. If someone needs to be rescued, call professionals with the right equipment to help. आप जाके आप कूद के उसको निकालने का प्रयास मत करो. Don't do such kind of feats, okay, circus feats, because the rescue people have better ways and better equipment to rescue them than you. So many people might get killed or injured while trying to rescue others also in the flooded areas, and they also will get carried away and they also will be dead sometimes. Okay. So help people who require special assistance like बच्चे रहते, elderly people रहते, or those without transportation, and large families who may need additional help in an emergency time. So people with disabilities, try to help them. अवॉइड डिज़ास्टर एरियाज़. जो डिज़ास्टर हुआ था, ज़्यादा डिज़ास्टर हुआ, वो एरियाज़ को अवॉइड करो. उधर रहने का नहीं तो उधर जाने का जो प्लान रहती है, यू स्टॉप इट. एंड योर प्रेजेंस माइट हैम्पर. आप उधर रहने से दूसरे लोग द गवर्नमेंट और द रेस्क्यूअर्स और एनडीआरएफ टीम को हेल्प करने का जो मौका मिलती, ओके, द सिचुएशन गेट्स क्रिएटेड. सो बिकॉज ऑफ योर प्रेजेंस इट मे गेट हैम्पर्ड. And such as contaminated water, crumbled roads will be there, landslides will be there, mud flow will be there. बहुत मट्टी जमा हो जाती है रोड के ऊपर आ जाके because of the tsunami or the floods which occur. And there are many other hazards which take place. Use the telephone only for the emergency because power will not be there. So जितना भी थोड़ा सा बैटरी जो है उसको बचाने के लिए खाली emergency call switch करो. And these telephone lines will be frequently overwhelmed in disaster situations. They need to be cleared for emergency calls to get through. Stay out of a building which where the water remains around it. अगर उसके चारों तरफ से पानी भर के है तो वो बिल्डिंग से खाली करो because building may collapse at any time. Tsunami water like flood water can undermine the foundations, causing buildings to sink or floors to crack or walls to collapse sometimes. So please take care that these water doesn't stagnate around the building. So when re-entering the building or homes, अगर सुनामी के बाद, सुनामी से पहले आप छोड़ के चले गए और सुनामी के बाद वापस आ गए, वो होम्स को चेक करो पहले. जाते जाते करंट को ऑन मत करो. फर्स्ट यू चेक the entire home very carefully. Tsunami driven flood water may have damaged the buildings. You have least expected it. Carefully watch every step you take. So immediately do not switch on the power in the house. Check with the torchlight. अगर कुछ वाटर के साथ आ गया तो अंदर आ गया तो देखो. और if there are any kind of cracks or any kind of dampness, please identify that. Wear long pants, a long sleeved shirt and sturdy shoes. Sturdy shoes means strong shoes, जैसे पुलिस वाले यूज़ करते नहीं, okay, वैसा shoes यूज़ करो so that you can be protected from the mosquito bites. The most common injury following is a disaster. In a disaster is cut feet. So the feet will get cut off. So in order to protect from this, you need to have sturdy shoes and use battery powered lanterns or the flashlights when examining the buildings also. So these all things you need to take care. And tomorrow we shall learn about another disaster called as a drought. Okay. So drought के बारे में कल पढ़ेंगे. Thank you children.